Welcome aboard the Celebrity Xcel onto Deck 10, Room 118. This is an Aqua Sky Suite, and this is a beautiful room with tons of luxurious features, and we're going to talk about the benefits included with this room at the end of the tour. So quickly as we pan around, you can see you have a large king-size bed here, which we will look back at in a moment, your couch that has a trundle underneath it, and this massive oversized balcony that looks out onto the beautiful ocean when you're at sea or whatever port you're at. You have 3 drawers, your cooler, your desk area here, and then looking back at the bed, you will see you have plugs on one side, you have 2 nightstands, and of course it is a full king-size bed. You have storage on either side of the bathroom here and on the right, and then going into the bathroom, we have a large soaking tub shower combination here that actually does have a door that closes so you can keep the heat and the steam in for you. Across the way, we have a dual faucet sink, as well as a seating area to do your makeup, and plenty of storage in here as well. And finally, you're gonna have your toilet room. So let's go through the included amenities with this room. So what exactly is included when you're booking an Aqua Sky Class suite? Well, on Celebrity specifically, this is mixing 2 of their best product lines. This is mixing everything you get with a Sky Class suite, the luxury and the space, with the health benefits of the AquaClass. But what does that look like? Well, first of all, you saw the space. It's 319 square feet, as well as having a huge balcony. In room, you also get upgraded bedding, like a cashmere king-size bed. You get a full pillow menu to find the perfect pillow for you, upgraded towels and robes, and then adding in some of the health and wellness into the room, you get an aroma diffuser to make sure the room smells beautiful. You get organic products in the bathroom, as well as the upgraded shower heads, and you get wellness programming in the room as well, in case you just want to do some wellness in your room instead of going down to the gym. You also get daily snacks, fresh fruit, and even sparkling wine upon request that can be delivered. You get butler service. The butler can do everything from help you unpack your bags to booking specialty dining or any other special request you might have. But that's just what's available to you in the suite. Outside of the suite, you also get access to several exclusive areas. You get access to the Retreat Lounge and the Retreat Sundeck. These are only for suite guests, and the lounge is going to have a bar in it. It's a quiet area you can go to, relax, spend some time with other suite guests in a private, climate-controlled area, having drinks with your included beverage package. You also have the Retreat Sundeck, which is your own private sun deck area, so you don't have to go fighting for seats and loungers down around the pool deck where it's crowded and packed. Then you also have 2 specialty dining options included for you. You have Luminae, which is included for all suite guests, and it has an exclusive menu not available anywhere else on board. And then you also get priority access to Blue, which focuses on clean, healthy choices. Doubling down on the health, you're also going to get access to the thermal spa. This includes all of their saunas, their aroma rooms, their ice rooms, and everything in between that they have to offer to make sure you're at peak health. Now, these rooms do also come with the premium Wi-Fi package, as well as priority check-in, priority boarding, and more importantly to me, priority tendering if you're at a port that requires tendering. Hopefully this has cleared up some of the confusion and helped you understand exactly what's included with the room. If you're still not sure or you have more questions, you can always use the QR code here to have Amy answer those for you or book this cruise if you're ready to book now. As always, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that really helps out the channel. We appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you on the next one.